Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today I'm going to show you how to put together the toolkit card. A great card for Father's Day, and this one isn't labeled a pop-up card, but to me it does fall under the category of a pop-up card, and you'll see as we put it together. But to hunt this one down, just go into projects and just search toolkit. There it is, the first one there. You only need 3 colors of cardstock: black, gray, and yellow, or whatever colors you like. So this one does come up pretty big. Let me just get out of there. So this part of the card is quite big. So you can see my sizing there, which I've already made a bit smaller. Highlight everything, make it smaller, then everything still works, FYI. But this is 10.5 by 8.5. So you'll need a bigger piece of cardstock, or you'll have to make it smaller. Okay, I'm going to get this cut out and we will put it together. Here is everything cut out. Our first step is we're going to start gluing some of the pieces together. So we're going to start with our tools down here, and the black piece gets glued onto the gray piece. So let me show you. If I can get my glue to work. Here we go. So there, and then do the next pieces. I'll do mine off camera and then we'll get on to the next step. So there's the 3 tools up there. They are just drying. Next, we're going to go on to the measuring tape. The yellow gets taped on to the black, and there are score lines in both of them. So you want to score them outwards. Just like that. And then same on the yellow piece. Little harder on the yellow piece. But these score lines are important. Very delicate. Let me get my bone tool. Make sure I got it folded in the right position. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, and you're just going to glue, again, the yellow onto the black. I'm just going to add small amounts of glue. Okay, we'll put that one off to the side to dry. Next, we're going to get these pieces here. They have the handle cut out on them. There's 2 of them. These gray pieces get glued on, and there's score lines on these as well, so you can go ahead and put the fold in them. So there, just like that. I'll get the other one done and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, while our pieces are drying, we're gonna put the folds in on the main part of the card. Easier to do this before you glue anything down. So first we're gonna take this top piece here and fold inwards. Do the same on the other side. There's two little tabs here on each side. Fold those ones inwards. Okay, now there's two angled score lines. We fold those ones backwards. Just making sure everything has a good fold to it. Okay, we've got score line, score line, score line, score line. The outside score lines get folded backwards. And the inside one gets folded forwards, or inside. Okay, so then once you all have it all together, it makes a little cute little box. So we can start adding some of the pieces on the inside. So first, the black piece goes right in there. Make sure you put it in the proper way, because it does end up saying Happy Father's Day, so it goes in this way. And this way, because you have the score lines in there, you don't have to worry about interfering with where the score lines are, because you've already pre-folded it. So you'll have a little bit of an edge around, and then the gray piece gets glued right on top. Just line that up the best you can. So there is the inside. These two pieces, they get attached there and there. And then these pieces get attached right there. So remember, don't glue the bottom of that part. Okay, let's let that dry. Okay, so we just have to finish making our box at this point. So fold it down, as I'm showing here. And this is the easiest way to get the tabs in there. I'm going to use my double-sided tape. Okay, we only have 2 pieces left to attach. You can see how the box opens up there. We're going to attach these, I guess that's kind of like a caution. They're just going to go right there. So it kind of hides the tabs that you've just taped down. Go ahead and get the other side done. Okay, we're going to let that dry before we do the final step. Okay, final step is actually attaching the piece of measuring tape. It acts as a holder for the card. So you're going to want to kind of measure it, put it around, see where you need to tape, make sure you can move it because it has to slide on and off the card, and get a good position. I'm going to do probably just like that. And I am going to do this with glue because I want a really good bond. And if you've never bought mini clamps, they work perfect for holding small pieces in place. So I'm going to let that dry and then we'll do the final reveal. So here is the final reveal. So I think that tape measure across the front looks fantastic. There's the back of the card there. So this just slides off. It can get caught on the gray part of the handles, but just lift it up and it slides right off. So you can grab the 2 handles there, open up your toolbox. You put the 3 tools in there. We got the pliers, the hammer, and the wrench. Then there's the inside. You can see the side cutouts there. I think this is adorable, and I'm not sure which one I like better, this one or the toolbox pop-up card. So I like both of them. So if you have more than one dad or dad figure in your life, you got more than one option. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.